In the world of DSLRs and dual cameras, who doesn't want to upload their HD brand new pics as profile photos on Facebook or Instagram? Now, what's a DSLR photo without some of editing? So, here's everything we know on Photoshop. So, without wasting any further time, let's jump right in. So, here is the Adobe Photoshop CS6. Now, in the top left corner of the Adobe Photoshop CS6, we have file header. Instead of clicking on the open dialog box, click on the open as. Now, here we find Photoshop *PSD. Click on it to edit it. Go into the camera raw filter and choose the photo you want to edit. Click on the photo you want to edit and click open. I'm sure you'll find this dialog box with the camera raw filters. Here are some adjustments such as temperature, tint, exposure and contrast that can be made to make your photo look lavishing. A warning though, this photo doesn't look like what it looks on the video. Here's a dialog called Auto which edits the photo on itself based on the lighting and the shadows. Now, that's the best part of the Photoshop. But most of the photographers do not use this feature as this makes the photo look darker than its original is. Here, my photo is darker, so I increase the exposure to like 0.35. If I increase the exposure to 0.35, the white that is the sky and the shirt color also becomes overexposed. So I reduce the highlights to like -100. Now, a cool trick about the word highlights. Increasing or decreasing the highlights will affect only the sky in most of the cases. If a guy has a thick beard or so, increase the contrast so that he looks more like a man. My guy in the picture has more of a beard, so I increase the contrast to like +19. I also increase the shadows to +23 so that he gets a fair look on his face. I also increase the whites so the shirt color won't go off. I increase the clarity way away to +43 and vibrance and saturation to make the color pop. After this, like over here, you'll find a curves image called tonal curve. Here you will find the highlights, lights, darks and shadows. Here I decrease the highlights way too down to make the image look dull and increase the lights to make the image bright. Over here you will find grayscale to increase or decrease the saturation of a particular color to make the image look reddish or bluish and the color of your own. Here are some adjustments that I make to my photo to make it look really interesting. I increase the reds, decrease the oranges and increase the aquas to make the jeans look more blue, decrease the blues and I'm done. I'll click on the open image to make the image open. So here's my photo after editing and this is my photo before editing. If you like the video, please hit the like button and if you find the video useful, please hit the subscribe button. Please encourage us for some quick tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.